With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone. Today's our question is, using integration, find the area of the triangle formed by negative x-axis and tangent and normal to the circle x square plus y square is equals to 9 at minus 1 comma 2 root 2. Okay, so basically in this question we have to find the area of the triangle. Area of triangle is formed by here. So by negative x-axis, which is this is negative x-axis, and tangent, this is, we know that this is tangent, and this is normal, and this is normal to the circle. Equation circle is x square plus y square is equals to 9 at minus 1 comma 2 root 2. So we have to find the area of this triangle. Okay, so now let us suppose this is P point, this is A point. Okay, so the coordinates of P from here is minus 1 comma 2 root 2, and we know that the coordinates of center is 0 comma 0. So first of all, what we will do, that we will find the slope of OP. OP is this. So we know that we have the coordinates of O and we have the coordinates of P. So we know that slope is equals to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. So slope of OP is equals to 2 root 2 divided by minus 1 equals to minus 2 root 2. Okay, this is slope of normal, this is slope of normal. Okay, now we have to find the slope of this tangent, which is this. So for this slope of this tangent, we will find out by this will equals to slope of tangent, this will equals to 1 by 2 root 2. Okay, so now we know that equation of tangent is equal to, y minus y1 is equals to m x minus x1. So we will put the value of x1 is y1 is, so this will equals to y minus y1 is 2 root 2 equals to m is slope of this tangent, so this will equals to 1 by 2 root 2 x minus x1, x minus plus x plus 1. Okay, so by solving this will equals to 2 root 2 y minus 8 equals to x plus 1. So by solving we will write it as x minus 2 root 2 y plus 9 equals to 0. Okay, so this is, and we will write it as y is equals to root 2 by 4 x plus 9 root 2 by 4. Okay, so this is the equation of tangent. We will find out. Now we will find the equation of normal, which is equation of normal. So if we find out equation of normal, so we know that equation of normal is equals to y minus y1, which is y minus 2 root 2 equals to m. M is this, normal is, so slope of normal is minus 2 root 2 x minus x1 x plus 1. Okay, so this will equals to y minus 2 root 2 minus 2 root 2x minus 2 root 2. So this will cancel out. So our equation is y is equals to minus 2 root 2x. Okay, so now we have to find the value, the area of triangle by integration method. So for this we know that area of triangle integration is equals to, we will add these two. Okay, to find the area of triangle. Okay, so for this, first we will write the area, which is area, let us A is equal to integration of, we will integrate from -9 to -1, -9 to -1. Okay, -9 to -1. Okay, so now we know that first is this, so this will equals to √2/4x plus 9 √2/4 dx plus now we will add this integration of -1 to 0, -1 to 0. Okay, -1 to 0. So from here this will equals to minus of 2 √2x dx. Okay, so now by doing integration we will write it as this will equals to area is equals to, this is equals to √2x square by 8 plus 9 √2/4 x to -1 to -9 to -1 plus this will equals to -2 √2x square by 2. Okay, this will equals to -1 to 0. Okay, so now if we solve this equation, now by solving this equation here, we will write it as area is equals to, this will equals to, this will equals to, now we will put the value of x. Okay, so by putting the value of x from limit of x in this expression, we will write it as, this will write it as √2, this will write it as, this will equals to √2/8 minus of 9 √2/4 minus of 81 √2/8 minus 81 √2/4. Okay, plus 0 minus of 2 √2/2. Okay, so by solving we will write it as, this will equals to, so this will equals to, when we solve this, this will equals to -17 √2/8 minus of, this will equals to 81 √2 minus 162 √2 divided by 8 plus √2. Okay, so by solving we will write it as, this will equals to -17 √2/8, this will equals to plus 81 √2/8 plus √2. So by solving this will equals to 64, area is equals to 64 √2/8 plus √2. So 8 1 into 1 8 8 8 into 8 is 64. So this will equals to, area is equals to 8 √2 plus √2. This will equals to 9 √2. So our area is 9 √2 square unit. Okay, so this is our answer. So if we solve, check by option which option is correct. So option number B is our correct answer. Okay, I hope you understand. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut App today.